Hello guys, welcome here to another video. Just a quick update on what's coming. I just purchased a Bmw X3 2020. We'll be doing some modifications and changes to make it look a little bit more aggressive, and also some repair works that we need to do. Just the minor stuff. The previous owner did something to the grill that made it look pretty bad. I'm gonna put the picture up here. So if you can see, we're gonna repair that. Eventually we're gonna change that grill and put a more aggressive one, and just a bit of more changes and stuff. We're gonna change the wheels, put bigger ones. I'm already working on those and try to track a couple of those down. And that's it, guys. Just a quick update here for you. And on the next video, we're gonna work on the grills. That's the first thing I need to address, as it doesn't look good at all. So thank you guys for watching. Just a quick video here, and stay tuned.